for me, the measure of somebody's productivity is not whether they're sitting in front of the seat, because I can think of numerous times when
Right.
I walked up to somebody sitting in a seat in front of a computer and they've been playing solitaire or something, Yeah, I think it has to do with, is the work getting done? I mean, when we all went remote, you couldn't see what people were doing. You had to rely on, is the work getting done? Now, I think people who are focusing on, well, I can't see them, so they must not be getting the work done. There's not a lot of trust there. So that says something about the organization's
Good
culture.
point. Very good point.
But you're also losing track of some of the fundamental business metrics. If I look, for example, at revenue per employee, I mean, that's a really interesting metric that I can track on a weekly, monthly, annual, quarterly, annual basis. And that tells me something about the productivity of my organization compared to the productivity of other organizations in my industry. Another is the work getting done? What's customer satisfaction? Are customers satisfied or not? If customers are not satisfied, is it because the work's not getting done or not getting done well? These are all indications of productivity.